everybody. Now, how many times have you been driving around and you see those vacant lots around town and you completely ignore them because you think that without a house or without a structure on that piece of land that it is useless? Well, you are wrong. I'm going to show you how to make an absolute fortune from those vacant lots. Check this out.
Ain't nothing gonna stop this fire.
I can't believe his business is so incredible, and if I could do this, every single one of you can do this. Every single one of you.
Something higher. Ain't nothing gonna stop this fire.
Welcome back to the channel. My name is Brent Daniels and I'm excited. I'm so excited because my business here in Phoenix has been going absolutely bananas when it comes to a little niche of the real estate market that, well, it's not a little by location wise, it's the biggest, but the one that nobody focuses on. I challenge you to ask any of your real estate friends, go to any meetup group, go to any like real estate investor association, RIA meetup, and ask how many people are specializing in vacant land. It is going to be absolutely crickets. This is an opportunity for you to slide in there and make an absolute fortune when it comes to vacant land. Now, here's the deal. I'm going to break this down. I'm going to give you some instruction. This isn't an education channel. This is an instruction channel. Okay? I can't stress that enough. Remember, when you're watching YouTube, you're either getting entertained, you're getting educated, or you're getting some instruction. Well, you're not going to get paid from the other two. You're only going to get paid and get the big checks from the instruction. So let's look at this real quick. Land 101. There's three main types of land. There's more. There's some agriculture. There's some other stuff. But really, when it comes to land, what I want you to focus on is stop thinking of it as this big, scary, weird, unknown thing. Okay, it is only three things. I'm going to break it down. Number one, there's either lots that are in your town, right? In town. Some people call these lots infill lots because they have the opportunity to fill them with some sort of structure or some sort of purpose, right? But we're just going to call it in town. This is easy. As you're driving around, if there's neighborhoods that you drive around, there's a house, empty lot. That's what I'm talking about. If you're driving in the city, building, empty lot. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. The in-town lots are the ones that right now I'm telling you, this is going to be our main focus for this video because these are the biggest checks that you're going to make. The biggest checks primarily for this specific video. This is going to be the biggest focus that I want you to take because these are the ones that there's a bigger buyer database for these. Okay, there's going to be more buyers for these. We're talking about wholesaling these properties. We're not talking about buying them. This is a wholesaling channel. We're talking about buying. We're not talking about buying. We're talking about wholesaling it, locking them up under contract, selling your rights to that contract. We're talking about sourcing opportunities. Okay, the in-town ones. Now, the next type of vacant land is the ones that are on the bubble. Right? On the bubble, about 45 minutes from the edge of town, right? Where people kind of want to escape the government a little bit. They want to escape big property taxes. The property costs are lower. Maybe they want to do kind of like a homestead where they they raise chickens and they, put a trailer on it or whatever it is, right? These are the on the bubble. And this is the second step that the second most that you're going to make per deal is going to be those on the bubble deals. Okay, and then the last one is raw land. This is out in the middle of nowhere. This is big pieces, 10 acres, 100 acres, 200 acres of land, raw land. Let's table that for right now. That'll be a totally different discussion because there's a totally different strategy for this. So what do we do in town? Listen to me right now. When you're going around in town, there's a couple different things that you can do. You can go on to List Source. Here comes the instruction of this video. You can go to listsource.com and pull up the vacant properties. Obviously, if you're part of the TTP program, you get it at only 3 cents an address, which is a huge benefit. So if you're part of the Wholesaling Inc., Rhino Tribe, or the TTP program, you get it at 3 cents an address. Check it out. You can pull it up vacant land. You can also go to your county tax assessor website, okay, and pull up and sort through what are the vacant land lots in your area. You want to look at them by zip code or city specific. Find those lots. Okay, and then All you got to do is plug in those lots into batchskiptracing.com, use TTP as the code, and call these homeowners. Okay, now before you do that, scrub out all the LLCs and all the trusts. Make sure they're owned by individuals, because that's going to give you a higher hit rate with your skip tracing. Okay, got it. Call them up. Use the same TTP script. I was calling about the property that you own here, right? In town, they have addresses. So you just use the same address, call them up, see if they would consider an offer on their lot. Now, this is critical because I get this question all the time. Brent, I don't know what to offer them, because it's not like I have comps like I do with the houses. It's not like Zillow's very accurate, or Trulia, or Redfin, or Realtor.com, or whatever it is. How do I know what it's worth? It's very simple. See what the lowest you can offer them for. Remember, land is way different than houses. That's what makes this so exciting. Land is so much different because there's no emotion to it. Now, sure, do people think that their lot's worth 10 times what it is because they think that people could build skyscrapers? Sure. We're not talking about that. We're talking about people that don't want these properties anymore. They don't want these vacant lots anymore. They're not doing anything with it, and it's only a liability. It's only a liability for them because they have to pay property taxes every single year on these vacant lots. So it's only costing them money. And it's not like they're renting out the lot for somebody. It's just a vacant lot. So take advantage of that and anchor as low as you possibly can. Okay? What does that mean, Brent? Throw out $1,000, throw out $200, throw out $5,000, whatever it is. Anchor as low as possible and see what their bottom line is on these properties. Let me give you a little hint. Some people will just sign it over to you. They'll just give it to you because they don't want to pay the property taxes anymore. Free lots, free land. Are you kidding me? I am telling you, it happens every single day of the week. Or maybe you buy something. We bought 2 acres for $700. $700. Guys, this is so exciting. I am telling you, focus in town, on the bubble, somewhere within that 45 minutes, reach out to these vacant land owners, call them up, ask them if they would consider an offer. And then once you get it and you sell that piece of land to somebody, comment down below here and tell me about it, because I guarantee you, watching this video, you will be able to go out, take action, and sell a piece of land. It's that easy. Find people that want to build. Find people that want that property. I'm going to give you two smoking hot places to sell that land. Okay? 2 resources. 1, Facebook Marketplace. Put it on there, see what happens. 2, skip trace. Get the phone numbers of the neighbors that border that lot. Oh, I am telling you, if you get it low enough, they will pay you to not have anything next to them. They'll pay you for the peace of mind to know that somebody doesn't build something ugly next to them, or somebody moves in that you know is doing construction for years and years and years and bothering them. That is a huge benefit. All you have to do is get their addresses, right? You can get it from the Driving for Dollars app, right? The Deal Machine app. The Deal Machine, with the TTP code, you get $9 off. You can go and get all the neighbors' information right now for $40 a month and call them up or mail them and see if they would consider buying that property. So check that out, get that going. I know you're gonna make some money. I know that this video right here, seriously, is the start of something great. It is the start of you getting out there and going after properties that other people are not going after, and you are going to take serious action, and you're gonna get these deals done. So comment down below, let me know what you think. Comment down below what actions you're gonna take on this video, because we need some action here. We need some successes. We need some income generated. We need value provided to the marketplace so that you get that income you deserve, that you get that win. You go from believing you can do this, believing you could be a real estate entrepreneur, to knowing that you are a real estate entrepreneur. With that, I'm gonna end this video. Until next time, guys, if you're interested in joining the most proactive group in real estate investing, it is the TTP family, the TTP program. Go to wholesalinginc.com/TTP. Check out all the testimonials. Check out all the testimonial videos, the checks, the everything. See what the program's all about. And if you do decide to join, I'm going to be working with you personally. So I look forward to that. Till next time, guys. See ya.